soft pillowy gnocchi with crispy chorizo in a creamy yet spicy harissa and coconut milk sauce. I also like to pack in some baby spinach and cherry tomatoes. This lovely gnocchi dish is a brilliant weeknight dinner that takes just 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you'll know that we love to make quick and easy weeknight dinners. And this is a great way to turn store-bought gnocchi into something really special. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating a teaspoon of oil in a pan over a medium to high heat. Add 150 grams, which is about 5.3 ounces, of diced chorizo and cook, stirring often, for about 3 to 4 minutes until the chorizo starts to release its oils. I'm using chorizo as I really love those spicy, salty, crispy bites, but if you wanted to, you could replace it with diced bacon, or you can even leave this step out entirely if you wanted a vegetarian version. Once the chorizo is done, use a slotted spoon to remove it from the pan, leaving the oils behind, and place in a bowl and put to one side. Turn the heat on the pan down to medium and add a finely diced onion, a sliced red bell pepper, 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until the onion and peppers soften. Whilst those onions and peppers are sweating down, we're going to place a large pan of water on to boil for the gnocchi. Add 1½ tablespoons of harissa paste and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree or paste to the pan and stir together. Now add 200 ml, which is 7 fluid ounces, of full fat coconut milk and 150 grams, which is about 5.3 ounces, of cherry tomatoes that have been sliced in half. Stir everything together and bring it to a simmer. We're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, and meanwhile we're going to cook the gnocchi. Now I'm using 500 grams, which is about 17½ ounces, of shop-bought gnocchi here. But if you wanted to go the whole hog, you could make your own. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how to make your own homemade gnocchi. Add the gnocchi to the pan of boiling water and cook for 2 to 4 minutes until the gnocchi floats to the top of the pan. Once the gnocchi is cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove from the pan and place directly in the frying pan with the sauce. Add 60 grams or 2 packed cups of baby spinach and the chorizo you cooked earlier to the pan. Stir together and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes until the spinach wilts. Then serve topped with chilli flakes, black pepper and fresh parsley. Let's give it a taste. So I love the soft fluffiness of that gnocchi, along with the spiciness of the harissa and the chorizo, and the lovely tang that comes from those tomatoes. My daughter Gracie loves gnocchi, and this is such a great way to turn shop-bought gnocchi into something really special. And if you like creamy, spicy dishes, then you've got to check out my buffalo chicken pasta. That one's on regular recipe rotation in our house. See you over there.